Hello, I'm going to help you with your leaky spigot, but we have two problems here. First, when I turn the handle on, water shoots out of the handle. And second, when I crank down the handle to turn it off, I still get a constant drip. So I'm going to show you how to fix both. Stay tuned. Hello, I'm Derrick, and welcome to Hindsight 101, where you'll learn about things that will help you in everyday life. Now, let's get started and get this fixed. So first, what you want to do is make sure the water is turned off to the spigot. Depending on your home setup, you can either turn it off straight to the spigot, which I have a basement, which I can do, or you may have to turn off the main. Just kind of look around and see where you have access to turn off the water. But you want to make sure you turn it off before you do any work to this. So first, we're going to tackle the drip, and then we'll do the handle. What you want to do is you actually want to take off this whole housing. If you haven't taken this off in years or ever, you're probably going to need some tools. Because I have some obstacles, this is kind of hard to take off. I have an electrical box and I have a fence post. You kind of have to go around, grip the base of it, but then there's also some notches where you can just take it off. Now you can place your wrench right here. There's places for it to grip. You put it on. I've already loosened this so it'll come right off. And you just twist. And you take it off the rest of the way. Okay, so now that we have this off, you see here that the rubber piece has been scored. It's indented just over time. These don't last forever, so we're going to have to replace it because this should be solid and smooth. So if you can just see, I'll show you. There you go. And you want it to look like this, just smooth. So that's what we're going to replace it with. So there's a screw right here that you're going to have to take out. Now this one's badly worn. I'm going to have to replace this, but for now it'll work. But you would replace this because there's pretty much nothing left. I'm just going to take this off. Yeah, like I said, you can see the washer. I'm going to get rid of that one. Make sure you get a washer that fits properly when you're replacing this. So, put that back in. Put that back in. Screw it down. All right, now we're good. Now next, what I want to do is we're going to fix this leaky handle. Full disclosure, I've already fixed the handle, but know that when I turn the water on, water would shoot all over the place outside of the handle. So I definitely know this technique works. So in order to fix the leaking handle, you're going to have to get right in between here. So you see there's two nuts that you have to grip onto, and we're going to take this, separate this, and get underneath there. Just going to turn that. Loosen it. There we go. Got that loose. So now that we have this open, you can see here there's a gap. We want to fill that gap with, I guess you can say, Teflon tape. So we want to take this self-foaming valve packing. It looks kind of like a tough rope. So you can see. So you want to take enough so you can wrap it around and have a little bit of overlap. Right about there. Like so. So now we're just going to slide this in. Like so. Tuck it in there. Now that you can see it's in there, there's a little bit of an overlap. And we're going to tighten it down. So you just want to tighten this back down. Make sure it's got a good seal. Now that should fix the leaky handle and the drip. Let's put it back on. So now we have it back on. As you can see here, there's a little bit of a drip. I turned the water on just to show you that I can stop the drip now. So let's just turn it off. And there may be a little bit of a drip because there's water still in there. But as you can see, that steady drip has now stopped. So I hope this helped. Thanks for watching.